Let's talk about some really, really unique gifts you can give each other for Valentine's Day with a couple that I don't know that we've ever introduced them as a couple before, but we're going to now. Dr. James Lee and America's favorite dermatologist, Dr. Tess, are here. How are you?
Hello, Mark.
You know, I know we've had you guys on together before, but I don't know if we've ever introduced you as husband and wife or sweethearts and Valentines.
The secret is out now.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, so there you go. Well, maybe I wasn't supposed to.
We won't do the bizarre couple kiss right now.
No, no, because between you two, it wouldn't be bizarre.
I'm still thinking about that.
So, for Valentine's Day, and again, for those of you that don't know, Dr. Tess specializes in getting you absolutely looking your absolute best non-surgically.
Yes, it really is. And, you know, it's the month of love, and the greatest love of all is really taking care of ourselves. And first, we have to love ourselves before we can love our spouse, you know, our significant other, and the world around us. And really, it's all about taking care of ourselves. And nowadays, there's just wonderful ways to preserve the way we look so that we can feel great and so that we can really live the very best lives. And we have this fantastic time machine treatment that you don't have to go under the knife, and you literally can look years younger.
Yeah, this time machine thing is pretty incredible. You put several treatments together here on this.
Well, what we've done is, over the last 10 years, my wife has really figured out the technologies that really work for her patients, and she's put them together in a way that you get better results than individually. So she's really put a lot of time and effort into this.
Figuring out which things work in tandem.
Right, exactly.
So, now with the time machine, I'm going to tell everybody right now that this is, the before and after pictures on folks are so dramatic. But it can work for you too, and you're offering $1,000 off on this treatment, which is, talk about a deep discount for Valentine's Day.
It's really deep. Oh, here are the results, and you know, it's really about the quality of life. And look at the before, and that's just 1 month after. She's a completely different woman, and we've had Jennifer here on San Diego Living before, and she's like gotten a new hairstyle, she's enjoying life, she's having fun with her husband, and really her husband was actually very supportive of her having these treatments. But you know, James and I were just talking about this, you really have to do it for yourself, not for anyone else.
It's like on an airplane when the air masks come out, you have to put it on yourself first. You have to save yourself before you can help somebody else.
Exactly.
Well now, Botox, again, is always a question that people ask a lot about, and Botox is still a very effective
We actually
treatment.
have a wedding photo here. This photo is what, almost 15 years ago. And we still don't have any wrinkles, and thanks to Botox.
Okay, folks, you got high-def television at home, and I'm sitting this far away, and the two, there's not a wrinkle on either one of you. But the thing is about this is it doesn't look like you've had anything done.
And that,
done.
Thank you for mentioning that, because that is our expertise, and our patients specifically come to us because they love the fact that we practice what we preach, and it's really about staying looking natural. It's not like looking like someone else or looking overfilled or overdone. It's really preserving your own natural beauty throughout the years, and that can be done now without surgery, and it's actually really affordable when people come in and realize.
And that's what's most important to guys. We want to look like ourselves.
Right.
We don't want to look like a caricature of ourselves. So
and you know what? If you like a character wrinkle here or there, well, fine.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
And
that really is what the time machine is about. Is we're not, if you're in your 50s and 60s or even 40s, we're not going to try to make you look like, you're 19 or in your teens, because that's unrealistic. It's really the very best you can be at whatever age.
So the Botox special that you're running, $10 per unit.
Yes.
So if folks have looked into that, that's a deal. When you buy the Juvederm, which is a filler.
Exactly, because it really has to be a combination approach. As we age, there's different things that happen, and when we do the combination approach, you really get the very best result, and that is what the time machine is about. And that's what we've all had these.
I appreciate
my doctor,
I benefit so much from just her being in the same house as I am. That's really what it boils down to.
So you're still in love?
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah. Well,
I
know that every time you guys walk in.
There's going to be an article on the Asian Journal in LA, and it's called Love in the Afternoon, and it's featuring our love story. And I have a book called California Total Beauty, and one of my friends said, your next book should be about how you keep you know, the sparks
Tips
alive.
to keep the interest alive.
And a lot of it is really about loving yourself, taking care of yourself, and staying attractive. I did a workshop for women, and there was a marriage counselor there, and she mentioned that one of the biggest reasons for marital problems is self-image issues.
Interesting.
And so that is what we can address in our practice, and so that people can really, you know, live their fullest lives, be happy on the inside, and when we look great on the outside, it gives you a big smile on your face.
And there's your book cover as well. So.
Yes.
Well,
look and feel your very best, inside and out.
Dr. Tess, America's favorite dermatologist, and Dr. James Lee, her favorite doctor.
My Valentine.
All right. All right, not going to do any doctor jokes.
Right,
okay.
right. And we have 3 locations in the San Diego area and in LA, and so free consultations. Take advantage of. We also are now offering special medical grade facials as well, so if you wanted to just do some pampering for Valentine's.
Doctors, thank you so much.
Thank
Good
you,
to see
Mark.
you. So get in touch with Dr. Tess, Dr. Lee, and get in there and get feeling good. All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.